So we got this 2010 YZ450F that we got to take off the head so we can send it out to, I think they're called Fastheads or something like that. Because these cam journal right here specifically has an indent in it. So I got to remove everything, take everything off so we could get it shipped out to them. Because I personally do not know and I do not want to damage, because for this year specifically, they made the cam caps and the head together. So I got to take that off and get them shipped out. Let's take that off right quick. Okay, so we finally got the head off, and look at that piston, bro. They put a brand new piston in it. That thing brand new for real. It's brand new. That's a brand new piston. But if y'all think that's crazy, bro. Okay, so this head, right? This head needs to be sent out to get boring, I guess. I don't know what it's called, but it needs to get the cam journals fixed. I need to fix the cam journals because when it rotates, it gets stuck because there's like a little divot right there. You can see the little indent, and it's also on the cam cap. The cam cap itself, see right here. You can see it right there. So the only reason is because